What's up, video land? You know who it is. It's your boy, Mr. Raw, coming back at y'all with another unboxing video that I just received in the mail. A few goodies that I'm planning on doing something different with the truck for this summer. As you can see, I got my little helpers trying to help me unbox this thing already. Look at Patch. My little dog, he trying to help me unbox this thing. Let me get it out, see what we're working with. Yeah, I got this thing right here on eBay. ZX 2500.1. Another one. I already have a couple of them. If you know me, you know that. You know your boy is loud. Your boy about to get extra loud now. Upgrading the system a little bit. About to wall it off. Do a little something different. So I got this amp right here off eBay. Let me get this box. Also, while I'm at it, I'd like to give a shout out to my boy Marvin Tate over there at Sprayway Customs. Y'all need to check out his YouTube site. My boy over there painting cars. He doing fiberglass work. He just doing it all to a vehicle over there. So if y'all don't know about him yet, y'all need to go check him out. That's a Marvin Tate. That'll be at Sprayway Customs. Homeboy. I see my dog really trying to get in there better than me. See what the guy said. See, I got the bass knob right here. He sent that. I appreciate it. I'm gonna need it. Maybe not. But there you go. She looks to be in good condition. A little dusty. Ain't nothing that a rag won't be able to fix. There you go. I got me another monster to make monster beats. This your boy, Mr. Raw, Raw Customs. And this is how we're gonna do it. And when I get through with building this build, I'm gonna show y'all what it look like at the end of the day. Not today, but coming soon. I'll get back at y'all with another video. I'm out. I'll holler at you.